This video I'm going to talk about finding the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix, and specifically I'm going to talk about the Sarrus rule. So let's suppose we have this matrix here, 1 0 0 0 -3 1 -1 -1 3, something like that. So 3 by 3 matrix, and we basically want to find the determinant. Let's squeeze it there of this matrix. So I'm gonna use the Sarrus rule, and in order to explain the Sarrus rule, I'm gonna be using the letters because this is the way my professor actually taught me, and I really believe that you're gonna memorize it this way. So let's have a matrix, which is gonna be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So the determinant of this matrix using the Sarrus rule is going to be the first diagonal, which is A, E, I, plus B, F, G, B, F, G, plus C, D, H, let me see, D, H, minus A, F, H, A, F, H, minus B, D, I, B, D, I, minus the other diagonal, which is C, E, G. C, E, G. I'm gonna use the color, trying to make it look a little bit better, like so. F, G, G, and C, D, H, C, D, H. And this one is just gonna be the diagonal. Right. So with this in mind, we're just gonna compute and find the determinant of this matrix. So of course, we're just gonna start by, the diagonal. So it's gonna be 1 times -3 times 3 plus, it's going to be finding BFG, so BFG is basically going to be 0 times 1 times -1 plus, so CDH is going to be CDH, which doesn't really matter here, but I'm gonna write it anyway since it's the very first one. It's gonna be like this, and then we have minus AFH, so AFH is gonna be 1 AFH -1 minus BDI, so BDI, which again doesn't really matter here, but I'm gonna write it anyway. So it's gonna be BDI minus the other diagonal, which is going to be, which is basically 0, -3, and -1. Now let me just squeeze it here. 0 times -3, -1. All right, so basically what we get here is -9 plus bunch of zeros, zeros, is 1, minus 0, minus 0, and then our final result is -8. So let's do another one, just, you know, to familiarize with it. Just take different metrics. I don't know, something like 2, -1, 1, 0, -3, 1, -3, no, -1, -1, 3. I prefer -1 than -3, I don't know, for whatever it is. Determinant. Alright, so Sarrus rule again. And remember, we're just gonna apply this over and over again whenever we have a 3 by 3 matrix. Where there are other methods to compute a 3 by 3 matrix, but I do like the Sarrus rule. Okay, so in this case, if you just remember, we're gonna start with the first diagonal. So it's gonna be 2 times -3 times 3 plus BFG minus 1, 1, BFG -1 plus CDH minus AFH minus BDI BDI and then we have the other diagonal, which is this one. So calculating this, we're just gonna get 2 times, let me just write here, just so we're gonna have 2 times -9 plus -1 times -1 plus 0 minus 2 times -1 minus 0 minus -3 times -1, and this is gonna be negative 18 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2 minus 0 minus 3, we're just gonna be negative 18. All right, we're gonna do a third one. Yeah, let's just do another one just to familiarize with it once again. All right, so I don't know, let's have something like 2, -1, 1, 1, 0, 0, and 0, -3, 1. So again, Sarrus rule. Basically gonna have the first diagonal, which is gonna be 2 times 0 times 1 plus BFG, which is basically gonna be -1 times 0 times 0 plus CDH, which is 1 times 1 times negative 3, 1 times 1 times negative 3, minus AFH, which is 2 times 0 times negative 3, minus BDI, which is basically negative 1 times 1 times 1, minus the other diagonal, which is 1 times 0 times 0. So all of this is basically going to be, well, let's see what we have here. 0 times 0 plus 0 plus 1 times negative 3 minus 0 minus negative 1 times 1 minus 0 equal negative 3 minus negative 1, which again is negative 3 plus 1, which is negative 2. So the determinant is negative 2. So again, the Sarrus rule is pretty straightforward, and the key idea here is to memorize this. Once you have done a few exercises with it, you're just really gonna memorize the rule, and it's gonna be pretty straightforward.